What if I told you that some of the dead OLED TVs people throw away in 2026 are secretly worth more broken than working? What if the TVs sitting in dusty garages, repair shop corners, hotel liquidation piles, and Facebook marketplace listings were actually hiding thousands of dollars in flip potential? And what if the difference between losing money and making serious profit came down to understanding one hidden trick most buyers are too scared to even attempt? Because right now, most tech flippers are fighting over the same crowded categories: phones, consoles, laptops. Everybody is competing for razor-thin margins while ignoring one of the most profitable flipping opportunities quietly exploding behind the scenes: OLED TVs. The average person hears the words broken OLED and immediately thinks disaster. They imagine impossible repairs, shattered screens, insane replacement costs, and giant expensive paperweights nobody can save. Repair shops often make this fear worse because official OLED panel replacements can cost almost as much as buying a brand new TV. That fear is exactly where the opportunity begins. See, modern OLED TVs in 2026 are not failing the way older TVs used to fail. Many now die from specific panel side issues, ribbon communication faults, motherboard damage, overheating problems, or isolated component failures instead of total system destruction. And once you understand how these failures actually work, broken starts looking very different. That realization completely changed the way I viewed dead electronics. The entire journey started when I came across a listing for 5 broken OLED TVs being sold together ridiculously cheap. Most people scrolling through the listing saw financial suicide. I saw possibility. Some had cracked displays. Some powered on with black screens. One flickered like a haunted monitor. Another rebooted endlessly. And one looked so dead that even the seller laughed while helping me load it into the car. But hidden inside those broken TVs were healthy motherboards, usable power systems, functioning display drivers, salvageable internal components, and most importantly, potential donor panels. That is when I discovered one of the biggest hidden flipping strategies of 2026. The panel swap game. Instead of paying insane official repair prices, experienced repair flippers had started combining parts from multiple dead OLED TVs to create fully working premium televisions again. A TV with a destroyed motherboard could donate a perfect OLED panel. A TV with a cracked screen could donate a healthy motherboard and power system. 2 dead TVs could become one extremely profitable flip. But there was a catch. OLED panel swapping is terrifying when you first attempt it. These screens are unbelievably fragile. One wrong bend, one misplaced screw, one damaged ribbon cable, or one incorrect panel revision can instantly turn profit into loss. Most people never even try because the fear alone scares them away. And honestly, I understand why.